back in there.
What are you doing? Skinny. See you later. What are you doing? Are you having fun? Huh? Oh. Get in your fort! Get away! Get away!
Oh, you better get out. You better go up. Oh, you better go up. Where are we going?
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Are you pushing me out? Oh, I'm going to stick my head in there. Oh.
I don't think Daddy's gonna fit.
His whole body fits through here and my head won't even fit.
That's pretty funny, honey.
Ow!
Our kid's whole body is smaller than your head.
Yay!
You're gonna get stuck.
Help, Daddy! Push my head down. Push it down. Oh, thank you, son.
Oh my.
See you, boy.
What are you doing?
Oh! Ah, let go! Let go! Let go! That's my balls. Oh.
Are your big boy pants wet? Yes, they are. Okay, let's go change your pants.
All right.
Say bye-bye. Gaby. Gabriel. Gaby. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
There you go.
Gabriel.
Is that your new house?
You say bye-bye?
You said bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
See you later.